tubes in the amplifier needs to be biased for optimum performance. On this Dynaco ST70, it's so easy to bias it. You just need a voltmeter, and on this example I'm getting 1.46 volts. The optimum setting is about 1.56 volts, so you just need a voltmeter to adjust the bias. You have to put the tip of the meter to the biased test point, and the other tip of the meter to any part of the chassis. And then again, as I've said, you need about 1.56 volts for this Dynaco ST70. You need a flat screwdriver to adjust the bias knob, which is on the top of the chassis. Now remember, when you do this, the speaker should be connected, and the preamp should be on a low volume. You may need to adjust it to get the optimum 1.56 volts. You may need to run it for about 30 minutes or higher, then do the biasing. So that's it. This is how to bias the Dynaco ST70.